All right, so in this video, we will learn about position sticky. So let's go to the documentation. So here it is. So if we set the position to sticky, then what will happen? The element is positioned according to the normal flow of the document, which is very, very important. And that is how it is different from absolute and fixed, right? And then offset relative to its nearest scrolling ancestor and containing block, the nearest block level ancestor, basically including table related elements based on the values of top, right, bottom and left, right? The offset does not affect the position of any other elements. Okay, so let's have it in action, right? So we have created this navbar previously. So what I can do here, I'll just get rid of this. Okay, so now what will happen? Our content will overlap, which is fine. But here, what I'll do, I'll just add the position to sticky. Okay, and now if I save, what will happen? Currently, right now, our navbar is now here, right? And it is not overlapping with the other elements. And as you can see, the element is positioned according to the normal flow of the document. So our navbar is positioned according to the normal flow of the document. And now if I just scroll, then our navbar sticks to the top and it is sticking to the top basically, right? So yeah, so this is basically that. So I would say this is basically position fixed with the element positioned according to the normal flow of the document, basically, right? So this is the position sticky. So if you want to create a sticky navbar or sticky footer or something like that, you can use position fixed or position sticky to do that. So this is position sticky in CSS. Also, we can change these positions, right? The top, left, right, and bottom as well. So if I just do something like top of, let's do something like 40 pixel. Okay, hit save and go here. Now our navbar is 40 pixel offset, right, from the top. And also currently right now our content is overlapping, but as you can see, we can see the content here as well. So the top, right, left, and bottom, all of these CSS property will work properly with the position sticky as well.